Hey guys, welcome to the interest zone. Today we are counting down why Bora Bora is a premier honeymoon spot. So as you begin to plan your first big trip as a married couple, keep this list of romantic honeymoon resorts in Bora Bora in mind. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Intercontinental Bora Bora Resort in Tallahassee Spa. The International Continental Bora Bora Resort in Tallahassee Spa is a floating oasis in the South Pacific. It features all spacious overwater villas. Found on the southeastern side of the coral reef, these luxurious accommodations face the spectacular Mount Anumanu and boast incredible views of Bora Bora. Here, modern architecture flourishes with an authentic Polynesian design, accentuating a color palette that reflects the sapphire blue of the surrounding lagoon. Another unique facet is the resort's overwater wedding chapel, which features an impressive glass aisle and large window that frames the remarkable mountainous view. Number 9. No crowds. There are no crowds. The whole of French Polynesia receives as many visitors in 1 year as Hawaii has in a week. Even during peak season when the resorts are full, Bora Bora never feels crowded. You'll wonder where everyone is. There's never a worry to reserve a sun lounge in Bora Bora or finding a spot on the beach. That's why Bora Bora is a premier honeymoon spot. Number 8. Most beautiful island in the world. Another reason is Bora Bora is the most beautiful island in the world. Unique geography provides the perfect location for a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. The island's volcanic past has left a dramatic peak known as Mount Anumanu, surrounded by a large turquoise lagoon and a string of coral motifs around its reef. You will never find a destination more exotic or as unique as this one. Number 7. Not everyone goes. Bora Bora is a place where not everyone goes. That's why it's the premier honeymoon spot in the world. Distance and cost keep the isolated island within reach of only a few privileged travelers. There are no cheap cruises that can shuttle people here. Only a few airlines fly to Tahiti, and the distance to travel keeps it an exclusive destination to only those who truly make it a goal to reach these isolated shores. Number 6. It's an unspoiled paradise. As there are no crowds or tourists or skyrise hotels, Bora Bora remains an unspoiled paradise with clean water and pristine beaches. In fact, French Polynesia is one of the purest places on the planet. Much of the island and its surrounding motifs are not developed, so you can always find a place on the island where you are secluded in paradise. Number 5. Most turquoise water you will ever see. Bora Bora is the most turquoise water you will ever see. They say Bora Bora's lagoon has more than 50 shades of blue. Circling the lagoon, you will see more shades of blue and turquoise than you could imagine. And while the water is sparkling bright colors, it is also crystal clear at the same time. And it is not merely beautiful, it's amazing to swim and snorkel in. Bora Bora, the lagoon is balmy year-round, so as well as enjoying its view, you will enjoy being in it too. Number 4. Unique experience. If you're going to Bora Bora, your honeymoon experience will be excellent. Where else in the world can you swim with graceful sharks and pat stingrays like puppy dogs? Bora Bora is the ultimate close to nature and enjoy experiences unlike any other. Number 3. Most luxurious resorts. Bora Bora is the most luxurious resort on the planet. In between the untouched palm-fringed beaches, you will find a select few glamorous Bora Bora resorts with their signature overwater bungalows. Bathe in an oversized bathtub with tropical fish swimming in the lagoon below. Have the most pampering spa treatment of your life surrounded by island scents, or dine in French delicacies while watching the sunset over the lagoon. In Bora Bora, you can have the best of both the natural world and man-made luxury to relax in. Number 2. Bora Bora Honeymoon Resorts. You can honeymoon in Bora Bora resorts like a celebrity for a discounted price. That official piece of paper that says you are just married gives you many privileges in Bora Bora, where resorts favor honeymooners. This is the opportunity of a lifetime to create your dream Bora Bora vacation. You also have a good chance of being upgraded, especially if you avoid peak season. Number 1. Tropical weather. The weather in Bora Bora is warm all year round. Divided into 2 seasons, summer is the wet season and winter is the dry season. But even in winter, the lagoon is an inviting 26 degrees Celsius and there's no need to pack winter clothes. Honeymoon vacations in Bora Bora can include water activities at any time of the year. The balmy sensual air caresses the skin and mingles with the island fragrances to create an enhanced sense of intimacy for lovers. So guys, honeymoons only happen once. Make it the honeymoon to remember. Bora Bora is a bucket list destination that only a few people turn into reality. Be the couple that enjoys your first days as husband and wife on the most beautiful island in the world. And finally, thanks for watching.